Nobody wants to get united. Like, what we gotta do is meet everybody on 149th Street at the bench.
Ladies and gentlemen, someone told me to come to, what is the site called? Graffitier.com and judge the graffiti here. So I loaded up the page, here we are, and we're gonna take a look, we're gonna just browse around this website and see what I think about it. This right here, this freak piece is pretty nice. I like this a lot. Good letter structure, good negative space management, good letter name weight, like everything is equal weight. Everything is really well done here. I like that. Is this digital? Why does that look so fake? Am I the only one who finds it weird that there's an extremely straight cut here that's like crazy hard edge? Huh, interesting. Yeah, look at that. That's nice. Nice hand style too. I love the way that E just bounces right up. That's a really common thing, but I like that a lot. This is real nice clean stuff here. I like it. I like it. I like it. Smo! Smo! You what? That's what he's out here doing? Smo's out here doing this? I'm messing with. I know it's not. I know it's not Smo. Look at this 3D piece. Let's see if it's right, because I'm not gonna lie, a lot of 3D graffiti ends up being wrong. It's pretty dope. Black is just too strong for shadows, and you usually want to use just darker value color of some other kind. The form definitely gets a little janky around here, where you can see the form flies back so far this way, and then it's like super flat over here when it should have come out this way. Like, how is it that this portion of the form is above here, but yet under this, when there's no real indication that it's going backwards? It's just a lot of things like that where you can tell they don't really understand form too much. And there's a lot of things like that, but not a bad piece. Why does everything on here look fake? Question mark, what is this site? Please. Draw now. I knew something was fishy about that wall. I knew something looked fake. One of the rules of graffiti is you don't paint on like an individual's property. This is the part where we get some new school graffiti artists. They're like,
fuck people's garages. I have a personal vendetta against garages.
And it's like, all right, relax. It ain't that serious. Yo, that's it. That's it. I'm getting up right here. It's me, your boy, chunky gut penis. We out here on them streets. Ah, yeah. Whoa, we gotta put a censor bar over there. I can't show that here on YouTube. I'll get demonetized. Jeebus. Weed, smoke weed, 420, just braze it. Oh, what? They got a Punisher wall? Yo, that's all right. I'm a fan of that. That's pretty dope. Good stuff. Good stuff. This is essentially just like Photoshop for people who don't have Photoshop as far as like practicing is concerned. That's what it seems like. I like that I forget the term for it. No! I forget the term for it. But when like the colors are, you know, fractured, I like that a lot. That's a really cool effect. I like that stuff a lot.
What? Boy, you better get rid of that name. Let's battle for the name.
Is what I would say if I was a toy. That's pretty dope. That's a nice GR. I'm not, oh, okay. Yo, this is good stuff. Yo, I like his GR. Oh, he got beef with somebody that he put up on this wall himself? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. This GR is clean. What can I say? Look at that. Nice clean GR. I'm mostly looking at GR because those are my, like, that's half my name right there. The VE is also nice, really standard variant structure E. Pretty good stuff. Standard V, not a problem. Look at how he makes this completely weird O flow with line uniformity and similarity on a shared tangent right here, and then he has line uniformity and similarity right here with the V. Good stuff. And then with the suggested line here, because once again, this line has to connect up here, right? So we know that this line would be this same angle on the O, so it ends up flowing. That is smart stuff. It's smart. It's really good. And it's all basic straight letters that he's doing. For anybody who doesn't know, I am a massive fan of straight letters. It's my favorite form of graffiti, and it's pretty much what I do. Like, I do straight letters the majority of the time. I really like a lot of the stuff here. At first, I kind of thought that things looked fake and digital, and then I realized, oh yes, it is fake and digital. Because once again, I didn't know anything about the site. I didn't know that this was a site where you draw this stuff on. So they got a lot of dope stuff here. If you actually, somebody told me about a subreddit that people go to for advice. If you guys can link that to me in the comments down below, who is texting me? I would love to check it out and go ahead and give my own critique on the critique portion of that subreddit. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below and hit that like button. It helps out a bunch. Really helps get more people in this community. If you happen to be one of those first time viewers, feel free to subscribe and come out with weekly art content. Anyway, I hope to catch you guys around next time, but until then, peace.